Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Google Pay and signing in. Make sure your account is verified. Once done, tap the balance or add money area to start. You need a linked bank account or debit card ready. If prompted, verify your identity with the OTP or a quick camera photo. This prevents delays. You're starting the actual fund flow now, so avoid navigating away. Keep your phone connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data to prevent timeouts. Now you select Add Money and pick your funding source. Choose bank account, debit card, or UPI. Enter the exact amount using digits. Verify the total shown and any fee before you continue. After tapping Continue, you'll authenticate. Use your PIN, fingerprint, or the OTP sent to your phone. Wait for the confirmation screen. It shows success and a transaction ID. If you don't see confirmation, don't retry immediately. Check your bank app or messages first to avoid duplicate transfers. Finish by confirming the new balance appears on your Google Pay home screen. Refresh the app if needed. If the balance doesn't update, look up the transaction ID from the confirmation or your bank statement to see if funds left your account. Make sure your internet is stable and the app is updated. Once done, log out and back in only if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip. If pending persists beyond an hour, contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.